Welcome back to the channel, people. We've got another 5-pack Matchbox. Sorry, oh my god, I haven't even had a drink yet. It's Saturday afternoon here, so normally that's drinkies. This is fairly new out. It's 2023, but this was released probably, I don't know, late 23. It's got the combi in it. So we're going to have a look at this, and there's a couple in there that I don't have, and some that I do. Let's check it out. So first up, we have, I have no idea what this is, Volkswagen Electric Vehicle 4. I've never heard of that. 2022, made in Thailand. It's not a bad looking vehicle, is it? But I've never seen one. I like the wheels on it. It's got the reviews. Got tampos on the front. Maybe this is called something else over in Australia, or we don't get them. I'm not sure. Blacked out interior by the looks of it, because you can't see in there at all. Big grubby finger mark there already. I know there's a bit of something in the windscreen. It's not a bad looking colour. Oh, there's a flea bite there. Is it? Yep, flea bite there. Come on, Matchbox. Hang on, look at the bonnet on that. That's not real good at all. Can you see that? There's bits out and like someone's pubic hair caught in there, and yeah. Actually, the paint job's not real good on this. Well, that's disappointing. From Matchbox. Yeah. That's sad. Electric Vehicle 4. Surely it must have a name. Someone put something in the comments and tell me what the hell that actually is. Next one we've got is the Golf GTI Mac 5. Yep, 2005 first released, and then again in 2020. Let's see if we can do a better job with the paintwork. And that looks pretty bloody good. It's got the same wheels. Left-hand drive. Got a bit of a sunroof there. Paintwork's much better on this. That's disappointing. Well, that's what you get for buying an electric car, I reckon. That's cool. I mean, if you don't already know, I own 2 Volkswagens. One's off the road at the moment, the wagon. I went and stopped at a supermarket, and they got those rubber bumpers for your wheels so you don't go too far. When I went to reverse out, the middle bolt on the bumper was up 2 inches, and it caught my the tray underneath here, and I stopped and I was stuck. I couldn't get the tray out. I couldn't do anything, so I had to reverse out, and it ripped a hole in one of my radiator hoses. So yeah, and my mechanic is they're actually shifting sheds, so I'm driving Nora the Bora at the moment. But anyway, so I get sidetracked and I've got to have a chat. So Jim from Red Trucks come up with an idea. I mean, that post in there looks a little bit different, but he said, like, they should make them into beer kegs, the posts. And I thought, bloody hell, that's a good idea. So you imagine having a wagon, and in the middle of it, the back of it, instead of that, just that post, it looks like a beer keg. That'd be cool. That'd be really cool. I might have to do that when I eventually get around to doing anything like that. That's cool. Like that one. Then we've got the Carmen Gear. What's this one? 1962 VW Carmen Gear. 2022 release. I thought they released that before that. This is cool. I'd love one of these. Slammed with big wheels. This is just a cool car. It's a unusual paintwork. These came out not so long ago in the what was it? Volkswagen sets? Not sets, yeah, like the carded sets. That's cool. ORG original VW 62 D for Deutschland, I presume. That's nice, like that. We're going to skip one. We're going to go to the Bug, the Park Patrol. We've seen this a few times. Yeah, it's like it was a treasure hunt. Oh, yeah, no. Duh. Come on, this is Matchbox. not Hot Wheels, sorry. Geez, I should have that drink. I might make more sense then. Yeah, we've seen this a few times. Needs some details done. That's cool. I like it. Park Patrol. I can't read National something Parks. Let me just have a look because I do. Oh no, I can't read that. That is way too small for me, even with my glasses on. That's National Parks something area. Anyway, yeah, that's cool. Like that. But the one that I really wanted was this. Come on. Oh, geez, you can't even read that. How am I going to be able to read that? Can't read it. Well, we all know what a bloody hell it is. Combi with the pop top. Man, I used to work on these. Like a dude years ago as a car detailer. For Hans Volker in Launceston. He was the VW dealer or reseller, and he also used to hire these out. So I used to clean them up when they came back, or clean up his cars before they went out for sale. That's cool. Look at the interior on it. It's got the table. You got a table there with a couple of coffee cups on it, and something else I can't quite see. The back bit, which turns into the bed. What's that number plate say? Let's say a bit. Nah, got no idea. That's cool. I like that. Missing some details. It's got the black there, but it hasn't gone all the way around there. Come on, Matchbox, what the hell are you doing? That's two that... Even that one, the paintwork's not that good on. It's got scratches on it. Man, just coming out of the box. There's another scratch there on the door. See that? That's a bit disappointing, but that's a cool car. Cool cars, like them all. They're Volkswagens, gotta love them. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you all. And, Uru.